Hello, children. How are you all? Hope you all are taking very good care of yourselves. Leela teachers back again, as promised, with lots of fun and learning. So let's welcome Nitin and his mama. So the next day, Nitin's mama continued to read from the book that Dr. Bela had given Nitin. She read something very interesting and informative, and Nitin was filled with wonder learning about the wonderful body. And this time, Mama read about the nervous system. Children, now teacher is going to tell you about the nervous system. Now, all our body activities, including walking, seeing, thinking, and speaking, are controlled by the nervous system. Now, our brain is in charge of the nervous system. Now, children, can you all tell me where is our brain? That's right. Our brain is in our head. That's right. And our brain is the control center of our body. Yes. And the nerves, okay, now you can see that these are the nerves, and the nerves connect the brain with every part of the body. That's right. So all the information about the world around us, okay, travels along the spinal cord to the brain, okay, and it tells the brain about what is going on. Yes. So the nerves is the pathway to send messages to the brain and to react. Okay. So here you can see that the nerves are all over the body, and the nerves are the pathway which sends the messages to the brain, and a message travels along the nerves to the brain in fraction of a second. That's right. So whatever messages we pass, it travels along the nerves to the brain in fraction of a second. That's right. Now the brain the nerves not only passes the message to the brain, but the brain stores all the information that we read, learn, and it uses when we think. Yes. So our brain has lots of storage. Yes. So whatever you learn or whatever experiences we have, it gets all stored inside our brain. And it uses this information when we think. Okay. And the brain also sorts out different facts, feelings, and ideas. So the brain allows us to ask questions for and work out on what to do and how to behave. So supposing if teacher asks you something, you all start thinking, right? So if teacher tells, come on, let's put on the thinking cap, you all start thinking and you answer the question, whatever is asked. That's right. So this is when the brain thinks and you are able to answer. So the brain allows you to ask question and also to answer. So in short, the brain is responsible for whatever you do and for whatever you think, as it is the control center. So now children, I hope you all have understood about the nervous system. Now let's do a quick recap, and here we go. So this is the brain, and the brain is the nervous system. Yes, it is the part of the nervous system. And what did teacher tell you about the nervous system? Yes, she told that the brain is the control center. And yes, can you all tell me who passes the messages to the brain? Yes, the messages travel along the spinal cord and network of nerves. That's right. And the message can pass how? Yes, in a fraction of a second. That's right. So when the message is passed to the brain thinks and acts. Okay. And it travels, the messages travels through the spinal cord and network of nerves. And who connects the brain to the each and every part of the body? That's right, it's the nerves. So the nerves connect the brain to each and every part of our body. Now let's see. Remember, teacher told you that the brain stores all the information. So whatever you learn, it stores, and also the experiences that you have. For example, whatever you hear, whatever you see, whatever you imagine, or whatever you think, you write, okay, you read, all the information is stored inside the brain. That's right. And when do we use this? Yes, when you use, and for that you have to think. So when you think, you are able to, yes, answer and react for whatever is asked. So children, I hope you all had fun learning about the nervous system. So now it's time for me to say goodbye, but I promise to meet you all very soon. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.